In this quick GetResponse explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to authenticate a domain name in GetResponse. If you're looking to get your emails into your subscribers' inboxes and not their spam folder, you've come to the right place. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some valuable alternatives that could be a better fit for your goals, and even better, they offer extended free trials too. To start, let's dive into GetResponse. The first thing you need to do when authenticating your domain name is to log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, navigate to the Account section by clicking your profile in the top right corner. From there, click on Email Marketing Settings, and you should see the option for Sender Authentication. Next, click on Authenticate a Domain. Now, GetResponse will give you two key options, DKIM and SPF records. These are vital for ensuring your emails are properly authenticated and won't end up in spam. Don't worry, I'll explain each of these in simple terms. For the first thing, DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, is a way of verifying that the email really came from the domain it claims to. It does this by adding a special signature to your emails. To set this up, GetResponse will give you a DKIM record to add to your domain's DNS settings. If you're unsure how to do this, don't worry. Most domain registrars have a simple interface where you can add DNS records. Just paste the record from GetResponse into the DKIM section of your domain provider's DNS settings. Next, the second thing you'll need to do is set up SPF, or Sender Policy Framework. SPF tells email providers which IP addresses are allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. Similar to DKIM, you'll be provided with an SPF record from GetResponse. This is usually just a text entry that you'll add to your domain's DNS records. Once added, it lets email providers know that GetResponse is authorized to send emails using your domain. Now, let's move on to the third thing. Once you've added these records to your domain's DNS, head back to GetResponse. You'll need to verify that everything is set up correctly. This might take a little bit of time. DNS updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on your domain registrar. Be patient, and then click Verify in GetResponse. Once it's verified, your domain will be authenticated, and GetResponse will be able to send emails from your domain with full credibility. This boosts your chances of reaching your subscribers' inboxes and improves your email deliverability rate. The fourth thing you should know is that email authentication isn't just about preventing your emails from being marked as spam. It also helps protect your brand from email spoofing. If someone tries to send emails pretending to be you, email authentication like DKIM and SPF helps to stop that. Before I wrap up, here's the thing. While GetResponse does a great job in terms of domain authentication, it's not the only option out there. There are other email marketing tools that might be better for your specific needs, especially if you're looking for better automation or more advanced email features. Stick around, because I'll tell you about one alternative that's worth checking out. If you want the best of both worlds, GetResponse and a top competitor that's better suited for your goals, then check out the exclusive free trial offer in the description below. Plus, if you sign up through our link, you'll get access to extended benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Remember, domain authentication is just the beginning of your email marketing success. With the right tools and strategies, you can take your email marketing to the next level.